Hey guys, I'm Martin, and today I'm teach you how to make install Max Latin America. First, we have to go to an HBO Max. Then we have to install it. It just takes a while, so you can wait. Okay, now install it. Now, let's get started. Done, we have Max. Okay, now we are watching. Oh yeah, Wonka. Well, first, here's some cartoons, like Jessica's Little Big World. Now, I'm gonna choose this. Y si necesitan algo, se hace en inglés. Cambia de idioma y eso es todo. Muy bien. Adiós chicos. Nos vemos. Okay. Okay guys. Goodbye guys. We'll see you.